Hi guys, my name is Francis Dikinang Jr. and I'm 17 years old.
Hello, my name is German Angel Elmopan and I am 16 years old.
I'm Shikina Bakudin. I'm 16 years old.
Hi, my name is Azaria Licayo and I am 16 years old.
Hello, I am Janelle Sibalagut and I am 16 years old.
We are from Section Diamond Food Tech Students.
The purpose of this video is to show you the usage of CapCut and its features.
CapCut is an app. It is free in Play Store that you can edit your videos for free and has high quality editing. And then that's all for CapCut.
Here are some key features and basic editing tools in CapCut. Number 1, filters. Number 2, overlay. Number 3, music. Number 4, sound effect. Number 5, adding effects. And number 6, voiceovers.
Here are some different usage of CapCut. First, personal use. Individuals can use CapCut to edit and enhance their videos for sharing on social media. Second, business use. It can be used to create marketing and promotional videos. And lastly, educational use. Teachers and students can use CapCut to create instructional videos and presentations.
Here are the positive impacts of technology in our environment and community. Number 1, creative expressions. Enables users to express themselves creatively and their artistic skills.
Number 2, social connection. Users share their edited videos on social media and social interaction.
Number 3, educational content. It can be used to create educational videos, making learning more engaging and accessible.
While there is a positive impact of technology, there is also negative impact. Number 1, cyberbullying. Edited videos can be used to bully or harass individuals.
Number 2, misinformation. Manipulated videos can spread false information.
Number 3, addiction. Excessive use of CapCut can lead to screen time addiction.
In conclusion, CapCut enhances learning experience through interactive videos and multimedia content. It's a AI-powered editing, suggestions, and advanced color grading. Simplify the editing process. Thirdly, real-time collaboration and cloud storage enable seamless teamwork. Fourthly, CapCut supports various formats, including 4K and exports quickly. Fifth, affordable pricing and flexible plans cater to diverse users' needs.